sign. I will take video.
This is locker clean out. This is Montana cleaning out her locker. Whoa,
You still owe us candy.
whoa.
You still owe us candy. And we're gonna say that on every film. So you'll always
Whatever remains of the candy. This is Dexter's locker. Let's see this.
She gave you Jolly Ranchers and you didn't give us candy. That's just
You want candy? Here, hold on 1 second. Here.
Yeah, right. That's a cheap. He didn't actually give us candy.
Yeah, no, he's faking it.
He's faking it.
I gave him candy.
He's faking it.
He's faking it.
What is that?
Oh, really? Never mind. He's not faking it.
Thank you.
Ooh, thank you.
Okay, we'll talk to you now. Thank you.
Yeah, well, we're nice now.
Okay. Wait, we've already did that.
What? You can use this nice.
You can use this next year. Yes, I can. I can use that next year. Use this next year.
Really?
I can use that next year.
Oh. Very
Okay,
good gum.
I'm gonna show you the amazing trick for Danielle.
No!
Danielle, can you watch the soccer for 1 second?
Everyone's so camera shy today.
You can throw this one away. You have to.
Any last words to say for the end of the year? Obviously not.
Oh my god. You're taking your...
Dirt! Alright, what else we got? This is a classroom. That's Monique.
I'm gonna miss you.
Kara.
Miss you,
That's Nick. Hello. It's Morgan before he beats me again. Alright, down boy. Ow. You can't see it, but he just slapped my face with a ruler. Kristen's having a nervous breakdown. What the hell are you wiping on my... You're an asshole.
That wasn't me. She stamped you.
This. Stay far away from me. We're gonna just leave them to their business. This shirt, of course, is now ruined. Great. I'm watching some movies. We're watching Juno, Sneakers, Goldfinger, Signs, Simpsons movie. Hello, Sam.
Sam, where is she?
8th floor. We need to find Allie.
6:30.
Testing Dalton. It's Chloe. There's Morgan joining the LA Kings for some reason.
All your classes.
Yeah, I did. All 5.
I have to commend you, sir, on the fact that you did.
I reached a new level of douchebaggery.
Yes.
Is that a word, douchebaggery?
Yes.
Alright.
Do you want an MS-13 there, Morgan?
What?
Hi, do you want an MS-13 there? That's how you do it. It's actually how you do MS-13. Alright, I'll teach you some gang signs. This is watching. This
Yes.
is Crips.
Uh-huh.
And Bloods is like... Sam, do you know how to do Bloods? Huh? Do you know how to do Bloods?
Nah, I can't do it.
I can only do like...
My fingers aren't nimble enough.
Yeah, dude, it's crazy.
Sam and Caroline are both signing yearbooks. Got here.